Hello friends, welcome back. My name is PK. In this video, you will learn how we can use Quick AI Designer to create the slide pack in Microsoft PowerPoint. As you are seeing my screen, I have to create few slides for my business presentation on artificial intelligence in process automation. Here I have some text ready for the different slides, but as you can see, these slides are not looking good. So if we want to create it properly with some images and with some icons, we can use the AI designer here. If you are using the Office 365, then you will see AI designer on the home tab. It is available here. So let's say I want to create the first title slide, artificial intelligence in process automation. As I click on designer, then you can see it will give me some idea to create the slide. You can scroll it down to see the different ideas, and whatever you want you can choose that, or you can click on see more ideas. So here you can see it is showing more ideas. Let's say I want to take this one, so I click on this, automatically that slide will appear here. Alright, now let's see this second slide. Here in this slide we have some information about artificial intelligence in process automation, and we are showing this information. Okay, now if I will click on designer again, then it is giving me some idea, but that is not good because it's too much of text. So what we can do, we can convert this text into proper bullet points. So to convert it, either we can use the Chat GPT or we can use the Microsoft Edge, and we will use the AI feature of Bing. So let's copy this text and go to the Microsoft Edge, and here I will click on this icon discover, and I'll go to the compose. Here I will say summarize below given text into 5 bullet points in short, and then paste that here. Alright, now once we have pasted it here, you can set the tone. We want to use the professional tone, and then here you can take the format, like we want to create a paragraph, email, blog post or idea. So let's click on idea because we want to create the bullet points, and here length, let's take the short and click on generate draft. I'll create the separate video in detail how we can use this feature in Microsoft Bing. So you can see it has started writing in short. We can copy this on clicking on this button. So it is copied. Come back to the PowerPoint and right click and paste that here. So we have a small text here. But if you want to show more text, then you can go to the Microsoft Edge again, and let's take the medium and regenerate it. So let's copy this and again come to the PowerPoint, select and right click and paste as text. Okay, so we have more text here. Alright, now once we have less text, we can use the designer now. You can see now it will provide the more good design. Alright, and you can choose any one of the design from here. Let's say I'm taking this one, or you can close this and open it once again, then it will provide more design, like you can take this one. Alright, now go to the third one, and here you can see we have some other bullet points, and in the designer it will create some more ideas, like we can use this design or this one wherein it is taking some icons, or we can choose this one. Okay, so it is giving more ideas. Let's see the more idea here. We can take this one or this one. So you can see how quickly it has converted your bullet points into proper icons and these boxes, everything. So you don't need to do manually, and it is saving a lot of time. Let's come to the next one wherein we have the locations. Now we can see how it is showing the different locations. Click on see more ideas. So let's take this one wherein it is showing some buildings. It is looking more relevant. Okay. If you will close this and open it again, it will show more like this, and you can change the design using the same picture. Let's say this one. Now let's go to the next one wherein we have the project timeline. The project timeline, it will show the timeline also, like this one you can take, or it will show some other like this one. It is looking more relevant to this. It's looking like the timeline chart we use in Excel, or you can see some other also. If you want with the image, then you can take this one, click on more ideas. You can choose this one also, looking good, or you can choose this one also. Alright, if you will close and open it, and it will give you more ideas related to that timeline, like this, or this. I think this is looking good. Now let's go to the next one. Last is the thank you slide. So you can choose any of the slide from here. Thank you slide. So you can choose the design from the designer for the thank you. There are a lot of design, and let's take some other. Okay, so let's choose the last one. This is looking good. Now if I will put in the presentation mode, then you can see quickly we have converted our slide path into a very good and attractive slide. Alright friends, so that is how you can create quick slides in Microsoft PowerPoint using this AI based designer feature. It will save a lot of time and effort. Friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe my channel to get the regular update of my videos. Thank you so much for watching.